Whatever. Fine. Snap. No way! Yes, little guy! Woke him right up. Mission accomplished.
Oh, Pop. Uh-oh, he heard that. Freeze, look at his ears. He's waking up. Okay, tiny steps. You can do this. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Good dog. The concentration on that little face is wild. Don't touch a bubble. Almost there. And safe. Mission accomplished. Sleep tight, big guy.
Oh, here we go. That little ball's trouble. Yep, woke him up. Oh no, buddy, don't squeak it again. He's trying so hard. Too late. Big guy's coming. Look at that face. Busted. And he got away with it. Lucky pup.
Ooh, that's better. Fingers are finally thawing out. Ha! Okay, that's actually so nice. You two still at it? Oh, blinked. That means you win, right? Sure. Call it a draw.